In this video I'll show you how I make this robust and adjustable carving stand. Continue watching if you want to see how I made it and how I use it. So I stained the top black to help with the contrast when I'm doing a Twitch stream, because it seems to help, as I found out with the carving stand, which I also painted black. I made some really simple bench dogs. So these just go in here. I'll just show you a really simple way of how to attach a carving. So I've noticed that this holds okay, but I think it could be better. So I've just got the dogs now. I'm going to get a piece of wood in there to kind of fill up a bit of a gap. Then I'm going to put these wedges inside. This is all just pine, just constructional pine. It could probably be made out of something better, I suppose. But so these wedges go in like this. Then you just keep hitting until you get a nice firm fit. You can hit either wedge, doesn't matter. And if you look as I hit this, it's probably going to go this way a little bit. But, you know, it's a gouge into a piece of oak, so it's not too bad. But there will be upcoming videos where I'm going to make some better dogs and some better holding clamps, so we can get a really tight, firm fit on this. So now we come to undoing it, which is fairly straightforward. You just wind off this nut, wind off this one as well. Now I'm going to pull this arm away from here, lower this down. The whole point of this bit is that it slots into here. Same happens on the opposite side. So put that in there. Then we slot this into place. There we go. And then we can wind these back on. It's already locked in there, but we can put this one on there too. Not only just to keep it all on there tightly, but just for a place for this to go, really. The good thing about how this locks in is that not only does it keep this lid shut when I want to pack this away, but also it gives me something to hold on to. I thought I was going to have to make some kind of lip under here for me to pull it off the bench, but with these arms I can pull it off like that. Remember, that's only held in by dowels, so it doesn't need any clamps to hold it down, which is another cool feature I like about it, because, you know, clamps come undone, they kind of get a bit awkward now and then. So this is how it goes, and it's kind of heavy. I'd say maybe about 15 kg. Then we can just put it down to the side there and pack it away, kind of. I really hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you very much for watching. And if you feel like anyone else would enjoy it, then please feel free to share it elsewhere. That really helps me out a lot. Don't forget, I stream every Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Saturday on twitch.tv/TimberandU at 3 PM UK time. Thanks a lot for coming, and I'll catch you again soon.